So hello friends, I just saw that Tailwind CSS installation for the Vite framework has been changed. So I thought it could be shared with you guys so that if any difficulty faced by you, it can solve that. Okay, so let's create a Tailwind Vite project and integrate the Tailwind CSS in that. Okay, so let's open a new folder in VS Code. After that, let's open terminal and npm create Vite at latest. Okay, so it depends upon your internet speed. Okay, so let's see how much time it takes. After that, Vite project, then framework, maybe React. Okay, you can also extend that. After that, JavaScript, it is installed. Next is cd Vite project. After that, you don't need npm install. At first, go to there and see npm install Tailwind CSS. This, okay, this one. Next, see what are the guidance there. After that, in the Vite config.ts, you need import Tailwind CSS from this. Okay. After that, it is finishing. So it's completed. Next, see the Vite project. Go to the Vite config.js and add the Tailwind directive. Okay. After that, plugin, you can add this Tailwind CSS. Okay, so go to there in plugins, you can add this Tailwind CSS. Okay, and is there anything more? Yes, in the index.css you need this to import. Go to their source and index.css, and after that write this. Okay, and I think things could be sorted. After that, in the body section you can write this Tailwind CSS, and then the command is npm run dev. Okay, so let's go to the app.jsx. In app.jsx, let's remove all the things. Okay, and paste this. After that, npm run dev. Okay, so npm run dev, let's write the command. You can see this. Yeah, so that's it. Now let's see if it is working. Yeah, our Vite app with Tailwind CSS is working. So that's about it. Thank you.